Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy Tab A11 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option Security and Privacy. Then scroll down and localize the option More Security Settings. And scroll down to find this credential storage section and tap on Clear Credentials. So this is the option we're looking for. Let's simply tap on it and tap on Remove. As you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.